I'm so tired and I hate talking in the morning. Guys, my passport application can go faster, so that's good news for today. But now I slept super late yesterday, so it's like today was very hard for me to wake up. Today is my off day, so I'm basically free from corporate life. And yeah, I took out my hair yesterday night and I'm scared to start because I actually have a hair appointment at 1:30. It is currently 10:30ish, so I have 10 to 30 to them. 1, 2. I have 2.5 hours because I have to get there. So I have 2.5 hours to get to my hair appointment, and I need to relax my hair. And honestly, this whole Vlogmas period, I'm probably just gonna be posting past, present vlogs. Like if I don't do anything in a day, I can just add a day from like old vlogs, because I've been vlogging for a month or for over a year, and I don't put it out because of overthinking. So if there's nothing much to like talk about the day, I'm just gonna do a throwback to like another day in my life or something, and just make the Vlogmas cute, if that makes sense. So let's just be, just see it as you viewing days in my life, random days. I hope it's not an issue. I really hope not, but it's very interesting posting 2 days in a row because YouTube is not easy. So this is day 3, but like it's probably going to come out as day 5 or so. But yeah, we're getting our hair done today. It's hair day, so let me tell you, today is going to be focused on hair, because hair is a whole job. It's a day's work. So I'm gonna start getting ready to do my hair. I have to be fast. I'm still booting. It's crazy, but I'll relax my hair. It's combing this hair out that I'm scared of, because this hair, the combs have been inside for a long time. Like it literally grew out. Like this is how much it grew out. So this video is actually sponsored by Carol's daughter. They sent me a box with goodies, and I'm going to be showing you how I use them throughout this video. I also ended up using Dark and Lovely relaxer to perm my hair, and let's get straight into this. I'm so sorry this Vlogmas day turned into a hair tutorial, but this is exactly how long it takes me to do my hair. I'm so sorry if this isn't what you signed up for, but still enjoy as much as you can, okay? Okay, so the relaxer actually comes with step-by-step instructions on how to go about everything. So you just mix the mixture for yourself, 1 and 2 together, and just follow the instructions. There's nothing more to really explain about that. My hair, I have a lot of hair, so the first thing I do is always divide it into parts and try and comb it as much as possible. Because my hair is very tangled, and I don't think I have the patience to actually detangle it like section by section. I just brush as much as I can and apply the relaxer, and I detangle later when it's already permed. When it's not permed, it is too coarse for me to get in there, okay? So this is me. I finished taking a shower, moisturizing skincare. Since smile how my skin is going. Are you mad? Are you crazy? So I missed my hair appointment, which is ridiculous, but because I actually wanted to film content in the morning, so I'm going to go tomorrow. But this is my hair. It's wet. I have to lazy around. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to edit the vlogmas that I'm going to post today, even though I'm super late. But I'm going to just drop it just to drop it, man. I'm so sorry. I know it's late, but they have to just bear with me. I'm trying my best. It's not easy. So I look so cute. Oh my god, is it a glow? That's crazy. But I'm not planning on blowing this out yet until later. Maybe later on when I have more energy. But you guys, I was in that washroom for like 4 hours. Like ridiculous. This hair is a full-time job, and that's why I don't like taking out my hair. Who has 4 hours to spend suffering and dying of steam? Suffocating. So I'm just going to relax right now and edit my video. I don't know if I should record that, but I'm just planning on sitting down. This is my cute robe from Fashion Nova, but I'm just going to sit down and edit my video down to drop today, and then hopefully upload it, and then I can now start thinking about what to do to my hair. But I just need to lie down. That's why I just know I'm not in the mood to start doing this hair because I'll now start working out again. I'm tired.
Girl, I see you in the map about them G-shit. Chill on your back, I wanna know your name. Girl, I'm just starting to blow your brains. Put you in the million no range. Still sexy when you smoke that brain. Jerk like a chicken when you throw that thing. She got
Okay, so my other camera died. So disrespectful. But you guys, I don't think I like this Sony ZV-1. Like, I know it smoothens your face and stuff, but like, is it really worth it if you can't take pictures with it? So I might like sell this one and get the what's it called? I might sell this one and get the Canon Mark III or whatever, the newest Canon Mark III. So let's make some sexy ass eggs. My eggs are plain. I'm so sorry. I've realized that I don't want to deceive myself anymore. I do not like onions. I do not like anything like eggs. I like plain eggs. Not even pepper, just butter and salt. So that's what we're getting. It's giving skinner. I'm going to the gym today, even though I'm very tired. You guys, doing my hair is a whole chore because why did they drain me till today? Maybe I'm making excuses. Maybe just maybe. I need to reply a message because I haven't replied and I forgot. If he's not sending you good morning messages, throw him away.
But I never stop for that but I never stop for that. How could you? You should never let me have no stop for that. Let me be my lady, never stop for that. How could you? Moving like you crazy, I ain't call you back down. Leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck. Run it up the bus down. Leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck. Bitch, you drunk as what? Leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck. Run it up the bus down.
I recently started like nice coffee, so I started getting this. I use this. It's a quick mix. It's just there. I'll give it like 6 over 10, but it gives me it's okay, and it has low calories. Like, so this is how it looks. Let's go. I'm hungry.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
You really have to wear these ugly sweaters.